Good morning, everyone. Once again, you are here on Kiran Paul's channel. So I'm showing you today 2.5 BHK, which is in Hebbal, Bangalore, North Bangalore, and the size of this apartment is 1,350 square feet. The apartment is east facing and higher floor, and it's 2.5 BHK, and it's in Prestige Misty Waters. So let's start the inspection. So this is the main entry for this apartment for the 2.5 BHK. This is VDP, that's video display phone. So let's begin. So as soon as you see this, you enter. That's a foyer of this apartment, and there's a shoe rack here. It's a marble flooring. You can see good light here. The view is very good from this apartment. So as soon as you enter, complete this foyer, and then we see the living hall and the dining hall here. So you can see there's a TV counter. You can use that one as your living area, living space. And this corner you can use as your dining space. So you can see it's a big, larger size of the apartment in 2.5 BHK, that is 1,350 square feet. Good light. 2 fans are already provided in this apartment. So let's see the kitchen area now. Again, the tile flooring is here. You can see 2 counters are done. This counter, granite one, another counter for your cooking area. You can see again, fan is here. 2 lights are given. And then you see there's a chimney from Faber brand. Good storage. You have Gale connection already given. That's for your gas, so you don't have to bother about your cylinder. There's a meter here. Good ventilation. So good for family with husband, wife, kid, a newly couple. There's a large sink here, and one more good thing about this apartment is you have already a water filter provided. So let's see the balcony. It's basically, the balcony is facing on south side. It's a good day. Today is a Sunday. You can see the lake from here. That's Nagwara Lake, Manyata Tech Park. Nice greenery all around. And you can see the south of Bangalore. If I go a little bit on this side, if I zoom it, no, it's not zooming. This is your WTC, World Trade Center, Orion Mall. Good large balcony. Good sunlight. Pleasant area. So let's see the bedroom areas now. The privately maintained. The design is such that you can separate that as a dining area and so now let's see, this is the study room. So already it has a study table, a rack, book rack, and good storage as well, with good light, fan fittings, curtain rod is here with the grills, and the view is again good from this location. This bedroom, basically this balcony, living room, and the master bedroom and the guest room or the kids room, all are getting good light. So let's see the common area now. This is common wash with the glass partitions, nice fittings, nice mirror, let's see the guest bedroom or the kids bedroom or the parents room, whatever name it. Good light is here, ample light if you look at. Good storage up to the ceiling, loft is completed. There's a mirror already on the corner. Good storage. View is again good from this bedroom. You can see the West Bangalore here. Now this is master bedroom. Master bedroom which is having attached wash. That is again marble flooring. Corner shelf is here already. You have towel rod and this rain shower is here. The brand is Jaeger. Hand shower, mirror, lights. So again mirror is there. Master bedroom 12 by 14 square feet. So you can easily accommodate a master bedroom 78 inches by 68 inches if I'm not wrong. Again the view is good from this view, this room. So again you can see it's a very big room. That's good enough. The fan is here, light, extra warm light, and let's see the storage. So guys, hope you like the visit of this apartment, and let me know if you want to come and see this apartment or you want to share this video with your friends. Hope you enjoyed this view of this apartment, and like it, share it, put your comments, and we'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for seeing Kiran Paul's channel. See you soon. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.